Hello learners, today we will start grammar chapter number 8 subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. Read the following sentences carefully. Rita is a good girl. Rita and Meena are good girls. For Rita, Rita is subject, it is singular, we used here is. And Rita and Meena plural subject, so we have used are. If the noun or pronoun subject in a sentence is singular, the verb must be singular. Okay, if subject is singular, verb must be singular. When subject is plural, then we have to use verb also plural. If the noun or pronoun subject in a sentence singular, the verb must be singular, and if it is plural, verb must be plural. Now read some features. In the case of personal pronoun, the third person singular pronouns he, she, it always take singular verb. Okay, third person he, she, it always take singular verb. Third person pronoun they takes plural verb. Okay, they always take plural verb. Second person you always take plural verb. First person we always take plural verb. And the first person I take singular verb, am, was. Okay, I am swimming, I have finished making the poster. Verb be can be used as is, am, are, was, were. Verb have may be used as have, had, will have, and shall have. Collective noun like this, like team, bunch, bouquet, usually take a singular verb. Okay, is. Okay, now fill in the blanks with correct form of verbs given in brackets. Like first one, she it is singular, third person singular pronoun, so we have to use word given here learn, and we have to use singular verb learns, learns. Okay, second she again she, third person singular pronoun, so here we have to write makes. You is with you have to write you are. Second person you always take plural verb, so be form of here you are supposed to reach the station by now. I am planning to go trekking in the mountains. I am dash you dash out today. Are you going out today? Okay, already I told you be can be used as is, am, are, was, and were. Okay, be used as is, am, are, was, and were. Sixth one, why has is given, so why have they left? Why have they left? Okay, group of trekkers will be going up the hill. Here what will come? Will be. Ram and Roshan, plural subject, so Ram and Roshan, and what will come? Ram and Roshan are good friends. Proximity of subject and verb. They should be placed as close as possible in a sentence, since there is always an agreement between the subject and the verb. Like first one example, see this example, she loves reading stories. Okay, she is subject, third person singular pronoun, so we have to use verb also, singular verb also. In the above sentence, the subject is placed immediately before the verb. In some sentences, the subject may not be placed next to the verb. When a group of words act as a subject, the main word is actually the subject. Therefore, the verb should agree with this word and not with anything else in the phrase. Like long fairy tales that she narrated were. Here, fairy tales is the subject. What is the subject? Fairy tales. Okay. So, according to the subject, fairy tales, so here we used were. It is a third person plural number. Okay, plural number, so the were is taken. The broken chairs kept outside were. It is chairs, so we used were. My friends who are fun loving want to go out for a movie with you friends. So here we used want. Okay, your parents who are understanding want us to do well, parents. Okay, so here want. When a sentence begin with the word there, the noun placed after the verb is the actual subject of the sentence. Okay, when a sub sentence begin with there, the noun placed after the verb, okay, is the actual subject. So there is a parrot in the cage. So what is the subject? A parrot. Okay, the actual subject in this sentence is a parrot. The word there is the preparatory or introductory subject. The subject a parrot is singular and takes the singular verb is. There are plants in the balcony. Subject is plants. So here we used are. Plants are. Read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of verbs given in brackets. The notorious thieves have stolen the statue. Same will come. Aroma of the cookies. Aroma. The aroma. Okay, the aroma. Aroma is the subject. Is tempting. Here have. Here the blank sheet you asked for. Here are the blank sheets you asked for. There a team of cricketer. A team of a team. Okay, a team of cricketers is collective noun. Okay, is will come. Theme of all the stories. The theme, subject is the theme, then is. Here a bouquet of flowers you ordered for. A bouquet, okay, means one bouquet, singular, so we have to use is. Noun denoting food, clothing, furniture and stationery are singular and take a singular verb. The furniture is polished. Okay, food, clothing, furniture and stationery are singular. Okay, remember it. Food, clothing, furniture and stationery are singular and take a singular verb. The furniture is polished. When a lot of or plenty of is used to indicate quantity, it takes a singular verb. Lot of coffee means quantity. For quantity we use singular verb. Plenty of sugar, quantity, so used singular verb is. But when a lot of and plenty of are used for number, both take plural verb. Okay, lot of boys, number, okay, we can count it, so we have to use plural verb. Plenty of friends are, here used are. Okay, understand that when a lot of or plenty of is used to indicate quantity, it takes singular verb, and when it take indicate number, it take plural verb. News is always regarded as a singular subject. News always regarded as a singular subject, take a singular verb. One of is always considered as singular subject. One of the girls. Okay, one of always singular subject, so singular verb is. If there are two subjects in a sentence, the verb will be plural. Two subjects, Aditya and Vikram. Two subjects are there, so verb is plural. If the two subjects are regarded as one, the verb will be singular. Like bread and butter, ideal for breakfast. Okay, bread and butter, then it is ideal for breakfast. We used here is because if two subjects are regarded as one, okay, it make one breakfast. Needle and thread is always kept handy by mother. If the subject and the verb are separated by a group of words, subject and verb separated by group of word, the verb must be agree with the subject. Okay, the man, according to the subject, the man, verb is. This waterfall is. Okay, according to the subject you have to write the verb. When the name of country, a book or a film is noted in a plural form, United States of America. It is used with a singular verb. Okay, name of a country, name of a book, or name of a film. Always used singular verb. United Kingdom has, okay, singular verb. People, police, and cattle are considered as plural. They take plural verb. The cattle were, people are, okay. People, police, and cattle considered as plural, so they take plural verb. When a plural number is used for distance, weight, and amounts of money as a single figure or quantity, it is considered as singular and take a singular verb. Like 3 years is a long time. Don't write 3 years are long time. 3 years is a long time. 5 years was a brief period of ups and downs for her. Okay. Plural number is used for distance, weight, and amount of money. Okay. As a single figure or quantity, it is considered singular. Whenever we use a pair of, we use a singular. Pair of scissor. Okay. Use singular verb. Pair of scissor. A pair. Okay. Singular verb. A pair of socks. Singular verb is. Read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of verbs given in bracket. The fragrance of these roses. The fragrance. Okay. Then is refreshing. The Lord of the Rings. The Lord is interesting. My father and mother are very encouraging. A lot of milk. Okay, lot of milk is quantity, always use singular verb. Okay. A lot of guests, number, when it is number, lot of guest numbers, so here are. A pair of scissors. A pair of scissors, we use a singular verb. Always whenever we use a pair of, we use a singular verb. And then a pair of scissors was. The cleanliness in charge is inspecting the classroom. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of verbs given in the brackets. A musical troupe performing at the concert yesterday. A musical troupe. Okay, yeah, so it is singular verb. Then we have to write, because yesterday we have to write here was. My friend going out for dinner. My friend are. Mathematics singular, so we have to write singular verb appears. These books belong. Okay, these books belong. Plural, subject is plural, so we have to use plural verb. List of grocery items. Here a list. Okay, a list of grocery items. Then is will come. With a list of, we have to use singular verb. One of the employee. With one of, always we have to use singular verb. Whenever you complete this exercise, okay, first read the features. Okay, read 2 times all the features. Another, anybody, each, either, everybody, everything, neither, nobody, none, somebody, something, and someone. These are, a singular verb is used when any of the following is the subject of a sentence. Like anyone, another, anybody, these are singular verb is used when any of the following is the subject of a sentence. We used singular verb. Like either of the two girl is. Okay, for these all words always we have to use singular verb. Okay, either is, neither is, none is, everybody is. Okay, when either or, neither nor are used in a sentence with singular nouns or pronouns, they take singular verb. Neither Rita nor Suman is singular verb. Either my father or my mother is. Okay, My mother and father, then are you have to use, but either my father or my mother, then is. When neither nor either or are used with plural nouns or pronoun, they go with plural verb, like neither the girls nor the boys. Neither nor either are used with plural nouns, here girls, boys. Okay, so we have to use plural verb also. Either the chairs, tables, then are. Read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of verbs given in brackets. Neither Sonal nor Mahi. What will come? Is. Either the boys, here boys, girls. So what will come? Are. Neither my friend nor my neighbor. Is. Neither the flowers nor the palm leaves. Plural, okay, subject plural. So we have to use are. Either the pen, pencil. These are singular. Okay, so singular verb is. Read the following sentence and fill in the blanks with appropriate verbs. The news. News. Always with news you have to use singular verb. The news is flashing across the television screen. The United States of America. Always with name of country we have to use singular verb. A pair of sparrows. A pair of, okay, then is. Everyone is. Nobody is. When as well, with or along with are used to join two nouns in a sentence, the verb agrees with the noun mentioned first. The teachers along with the principals are discussing the board result. In the above sentence, the teacher is the subject mentioned first. It is in the plural form. The teachers, okay, plural form, and in the third person. So the verb are is used with agrees, which agrees with the subject. My sister with all the cousins is going to celebrate New Year Eve at the club. My sister is the first subject. It is singular and in the third person. So verb plans agrees with the subject my sister. Okay, my sister, it is singular and third person. And first one teachers, teachers plural form. Okay, so now complete next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of verbs given in brackets. My friends as well as my neighbor. My friends, friends, plural subject is in plural form, so here are. My friends as well as my neighbor are going to visit the nearby market. Mrs. Gupta with her family. Mrs. Gupta singular, so here singular verb. Ritesh as well as his brothers. Okay, Ritesh as well as his brothers are. Rinku along with her parents. Rinku along with her parents is watching television. Okay student, complete your book. Thank you.